You've been quiet, haven't you? Your pain's a buried scream, clawing to escape. They see a hollow shell, a man with nothing left. They mark the cracks, the wear of endless nights. They think they know him, empty, broken, done. But in that silence, a storm brews unseen. A warrior reloads, not with words, but will. He sharpens his edge, while they babble and boast. The empty vessel makes the loudest noise, they say. Let them rattle, let them echo their shallow cries. His quiet is a blade, forged in unseen fires. It cuts deeper than their clamor ever could. The taunts fade when they face that steady gaze. That silence isn't weakness, it's the predator's pause. Stay sovereign.